And it's a battle of two wives against Narendra Modi. IPS officer Sanjeev Bhatt's wife Shweta Bhatt and Jagrati Pandya, the wife of Modi's aide-turned bitter political rival Harin Pandya, have both entered the Gujarat poll battle this time. They're both fighting at best a symbolic battle, but perhaps for the first time in years, it's a personalized challenge to Narendra Modi, who's seen as almost invincible in Gujarat. Many say that they're going to make absolutely no impact. Of course, they say it's the larger point that they're making.
In Modi's stronghold of Maninagar, there is excitement as his Congress challenger enters the one pocket that he has neglected.
Modi kabhi ye road pe nikla hi nahi hai.
Except Shweta Bhatt's candidature has also sparked controversy as the wife of IPS officer Sanjeev Bhatt, who hit the headlines when he accused Narendra Modi of complicity in the 2002 riots. Bhatt, a hero for those who oppose Modi, a man the BJP calls a Congress agent.
कांग्रेस की और संजीव भट्ट की स्ट्रेटेजी कॉमन थी, वो एक्सपोज हो गई जब वो कैंडिडेट बनी.
Shweta brushes aside these charges. She says that she's fighting Modi because he had her husband arrested on wrongful charges.
Simple housewife. मेरा husband है, बच्चे हैं, and I'm extremely happy with my family. ये सब अगर नहीं हुआ होता तो मैं शायद इलेक्शन में कभी आती भी नहीं. In fact, to be absolutely frank, मैंने तय कर लिया था कि नरेंद्र मोदी जहां से खड़ा रहेगा मैं वहीं से खड़ी रहूंगी.
These are the obvious and easy pockets for Shweta Bhatt to campaign in, a predominantly Muslim basti with 16,000 voters. The other areas are far tougher, at times even hostile, a constituency which Modi has dominated with a margin of more than 75,000 votes. Shweta poses no challenge to Modi in Maninagar, but she has, as the Congress has hoped, grabbed headlines. Another wife to hit the headlines to dare Modi, Jagrati Pandya, contesting from Ahmedabad's Ellisbridge constituency. Her reason to enter the political arena similar to Shweta's, to seek justice for her husband Harin Pandya, once the state home minister and Modi's bitter political rival, who was assassinated in 2003.
आपको पता ही है कि 10 साल तक हम जो एक कानून की लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे और सीबीआई ने अपने समय का दुरुपयोग किया, तो ये दोनों बात अभी 2011 में मेरे सामने आई और इसीलिए मैंने एलिसब्रिज मत क्षेत्र जो हरिन पांड्या जी का कार्य क्षेत्र है, उसी बीच में मैंने जनता की अदालत में मैंने ये बात रखी और गुजरात परिवर्तन पार्टी ज्वाइन की.
Ideologically, there is nothing in common between the two wives, except for the moment Keshubhai Patel. Jagrati is contesting as a candidate for Keshubhai's Gujarat Parivartan Party, while Keshubhai has withdrawn his candidate from Maninagar in favour of Shweta Bhatt.
Keshubhai is a very, very senior politician. वो मेरी बात समझे, उन्होंने मेरा रिस्पेक्ट करके सपोर्ट डिक्लेयर किया. I am extremely grateful to him.
The two women know they are fighting at best a symbolic battle, but they are one of the rare instances of a personalised challenge to Modi in an otherwise faceless battle being fought by his opponents. In Ahmedabad with Xavier Thomas, Radhika Bordia for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.